Yeah. Hello, ma'am. Yeah, afternoon. Pleasure.
Hello, Srivatsa. How are
Yeah,
you?
I'm very good. Thank you. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thank you. Okay. So I have completed the chapter of atoms. So we can start the question bank which I received from you.
Yes.
So you can get a good revision.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
So from the beginning, we are going to start this chapter. First about the term atom. So what is an atom? Please tell me, what do you know about an atom?
Atom is the smallest particle of matter.
Very good. It is the smallest particle of matter. And atom involves in a chemical reaction. Okay. So atom is smallest particle of matter which takes part in a chemical reaction.
Yes.
Okay.
Sexually.
So
Yes.
example, which comes under an atom. So whatever the elements you can see in the periodic table, there are like 118 elements. All the elements are considered as an atom. Okay. Like hydrogen is an atom, oxygen is an atom, magnesium is an atom, gold is an atom. Okay, barium, whatever the element you can see in the periodic table, everything is considered as an atom only. Okay,
Yes.
so like hydrogen, sodium, oxygen, gold. Gold symbol is Au. What is symbol of silver? Srivatsa?
Silver symbol, like um, I don't know silver symbol.
Is Ag.
AG.
Ag is
First
silver.
time.
Okay, so
Hmm.
Latin name is Argentinum, so that Ag is the symbol for silver. So clear, what is atom? Atom is the smallest particle of matter which
Yeah.
takes part in a chemical reaction. Okay, so we
Yeah.
can also say it is the smallest unit of the element.
Yeah.
Of the element. Like in hydrogen element, you can find hydrogen atom. In sodium element, you find sodium atom. Okay, it is the smallest unit of the element. Okay, so atom maybe it can exist freely, like it can exist as hydrogen, or it may exist in the combination, like hydrogen can combine with oxygen to form water. Okay, it can combine with chlorine to form hydrochloric acid. So, like that, atom can exist either freely or may not exist. So, it may or may not exist freely. Okay, it may or may not exist freely. So that is an atom. That is about atom. Clear? Please read what is an atom, Srivatsa. Please read all points.
So basically, it is the smallest unit of the element, or it may not exist freely. It is. The point. So
Please read all
smallest
the points.
smallest particle of matter which takes part in a chemical reaction. Example H hydrogen, sodium, oxygen, or gold, silver. It is the
Hmm.
smallest unit of the element. It may or may not exist freely.
Clear with all the points.
Clear question. Almost clear, ma'am.
Okay. So next point, atom, I told you that they may exist freely or they may combine with some other elements. They may combine with the same element with or some other elements. So based on that, like atoms, they combine to form molecules. So next term we are going to learn is molecule. So what is a molecule? Molecule is combination of atoms. So having one atom is not a molecule. It is an atom. Like that is an element. It is an atom. So combination of more than two or more than two, like H2. This is a molecule now because you can see two hydrogens are combined. Okay, it can be two atom combination or it can be more than that. Like in O3, you can see three elements are combining, like three atoms are combining. P4 you can see. So if you minimum criteria, minimum requirement to form a molecule is at least two atoms should combine. Maybe the same atom or maybe the different atom, but at least two atoms should combine. So then it is a molecule. So what is molecule? It is made up of two or more atoms. What it is made up of? Two or more atoms. So that is
For me.
molecule. Okay.
Yeah.
So now in the molecule, the next term come here is atomicity. So in the molecule, we discuss a term called as atomicity. What is atomicity? Atomicity is the count of the atoms. How many are present in a molecule? Okay, so
Yeah.
we are telling that atoms only combine to form a molecule. So how many atoms are combining? So that number of atoms, whichever are combining to form a molecule, is considered as atomicity. So what is atomicity? In the molecule, we discuss the term atomicity. So what is atomicity? Atomicity is count of number of atoms. Count of
Sorry,
number
it's like a count of
number
number of
of atoms
atoms.
in a molecule. Please read the definition of molecule, Srivatsa.
It is made up of two or more atoms.
Yeah. So in the molecule, what term we can discuss? Atomicity is the term we can discuss. So what is atomicity? Please read what is atomicity.
The atomicity is like the count of number of atoms in a molecule.
Yeah, count of number of atoms in a molecule. So what we can discuss in this? So count of number of atoms. It can be a
It will be a single.
so single atom, which is a molecule like monoatomic molecules. Monoatomic means mono is single, mono means single, atomic is single atom. Okay, then diatomic. So di for two, atomic is again two in number. Then triatomic. Okay, then we
Yeah.
discuss like tetraatomic. Then hexaatomic, hepta, octa. So we can write like polyatomic, tetraatomic, polyatomic. So many atoms are used. So in polyatomic, we can discuss again like if the atoms are 16 number, or if the atoms are 7 in number, if the atoms are 8 in number. Okay. So we can discuss these examples under the category. Okay. There is pentatomic also. Polyatomic in the sense more than 5. Okay. Monoatomic means what is monoatomic? Presence of one atom. Okay. Made of one atom or single atom. They are made of two atoms, made of three atoms, made of four atoms. And here these are the atoms which are 5, 6, 7, 8. Understand? So what is monoatomic called as Srivatsa? Monoatomic means the molecule which is made up of single atom. Diatomic is the molecule which is made up of two atoms. Three atoms is monoatomic. Sorry, three atoms is triatomic. Tetra atom is like four atoms are combining. more than four, like polyatomic. In that we can discuss more than four element species, four molecules, like five, six, seven, eight. Okay. So single atom is monoatomic. So in that we can discuss examples like helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. So entire 18th group elements consider as monoatomic. Like they don't want to combine with with any other element. So why? What is the reason that you will study later in the further chapters? Okay. So these elements, like they will be noble in nature. They are inert in nature. So they never combine with anything. So they always want to stay single. So these are monoatomic elements. Like all the 18th group elements are monoatomic in nature. Then coming to diatomic are made up of two atoms, like H2, O2. Can you see the two subscript which I have mentioned, which indicates two? Okay, N2, Br2, I2, Cl2, F2. Okay, so these are examples of diatoms. Tri are made up of three atoms. Like in O3, you can see triatom. Okay, H2S. In this, can you tell me how many hydrogens are there in H2S, Srivatsa?
How many hydrogens?
In H2S molecule, how many hydrogens are there?
So two, oops, sorry, in H2, hydrogen 2.
Two. How many sulfurs are there?
Oops, sorry, 1,
One. Overall, how many atoms you have?
3.
Three. So it is triatom. Okay, like CO2. How many? Tell me how many elements are there and what are those in CO2?
Hmm. 2 elements.
Okay, what are those two elements, Srivatsa?
Hmm. It's like one, one is carbon, ma'am. And
Very
another one is like um oops, sorry, another one is like hydrogen, sulfur,
in
sulfur hydrogen.
CO2, you have hydrogen in CO2?
One is carbon and another one is like oxygen.
Oxygen. Okay,
Two
tell me
oxygen.
number, how many are there? Tell me number each element.
Two hydrogen.
Again, hydrogen in CO2,
Are you
there.
asking? I thought you asked for something else. So what's your question
No, no.
precisely?
In CO2, tell me how many elements are there and tell me the number of that particular element.
So let's. Oh, okay, okay. So C is like carbon and then O is like oxygen. So
Okay.
for carbon. So for carbon, like your first, what is your question for one atom? So carbon have like no. Atomic number
How
is like
many
6.
carbons are there? How many carbons are there? I'm
Oh,
asking you.
there's one carbon
Yeah. How
and
many
then
oxygens?
two oxygens.
Yeah. So in CO2, there are how many atoms overall?
Three.
Three atoms. So it is triatomic. Coming to tetraatomic, in tetraatomic, you can see P4. So in P4, the subscript 4 indicates that there are 4 P. So what is P, Srivatsa? What P for?
P is like polyatomic.
P. This,
Phosphorus.
yeah, phosphorus. pH3. In pH3, tell me what elements are present and how many are there. Their number.
Um, so there are like three hydrogens and then
Okay, very good.
one phosphorus.
Overall, how many elements?
Like 4.
4. So it is tetraatom. Okay, you can take NH3, you can take NF3. So all these are like tetraatom. Coming to 5. 5 is for pentaatomic. So pentaatomic are 5. The count is going to be 5. So CH4, CCl4. In CCl4, tell me what elements are present, Srivatsa?
So two elements are present.
Okay, what are those and how many are there?
Those are like carbon. and hydrogen.
Hmm. In CCl4, you have hydrogen.
No, that H is like I thought
Yeah, I'm asking in this.
in this C for carbon and I don't know that H.
Again, H. Where is H? I'm asking you in CCl4.
Cl, okay, okay. Cl, I
What
thought
is
something.
Cl for?
No, sorry, C for carbon, Cl for chlorine.
Okay, okay, very good. Next, SiF4. So in all these, you can see overall 5 atoms are present. So it is pentaatom. Next, hexatom. In hexaatomic, you can see overall 6 atoms are present. Now tell me what are the elements that are present in CH3OH and how many are there?
So they're like I can tell you. So in like CH3O4, they're like 4 elements present. Sorry,
Oh,
2 elements. No, CH3 and then OH. So they're like three
overall, what
elements.
is 3 elements?
Three.
Very good, very good. Tell me the number of those elements. What are those elements?
Oh, sorry. So there's like CH for like chlorine. Oh, sorry. Carbon. So C for like carbon, right?
Very good. Next.
H for like H is for like hydrogen.
Okay. So how many hydrogens are there, Srivatsa?
Two hydrogens. Two hydrogens.
Ah,
What?
there are
And
only 2 hydrogens.
one H. Yeah. CH3. Oh, over in CH3, one hydrogen only. H3.
CH3OH. See this formula?
So I'll not say something. So I'll just say that C like carbon and then hydrogen. Three. And then O4, OH. Oxygen and then hydrogen.
Okay, so overall, how many hydrogens are there? That's my question.
Overall, like in CH3, overall there are like three hydrogens.
In CH3OH, how many hydrogens are there?
Four hydrogens.
Yeah, 4 hydrogens. So 3 here, 1 here. So they mention separate. So why separate? You'll study in further classes. Just see how many H are there. Here there is a subscript of 3, so it is 3. Here there is subscript of 1, so overall 3 plus 1, it is 4. Okay. So now tell me in CH3OH, how many atoms are there? In overall formula, CH3OH, how many elements are there?
Oh, overall they're like six or
Count
something.
is very important.
Six.
6 or something.
No, what something? Six only.
Then why you said 6 or something? Okay. CCl5, etc. Okay. Then 7, SF6, P2O5. So in this you can find 7 elements. And octatomic like S8, C2H6, C2H5Cl. In this you can find 8 elements. Okay.
Yeah.
Clear with the molecule definition
Yeah.
and please read what I mentioned on the board.
So sorry. So the molecule. So it is made up of two or more atoms. So molecule atomicity. So count of number of atoms no, in a molecule. So monatomic, diatomic, triatomic,
Hmm.
and then tesitromic, tesitromic,
This
and then
one,
whole
tetratomic.
tetratomic.
Tetraatomic, you can say.
So tetratomic. Yeah. So, man, what else next is like a monatomic made of one atom, diatomic, two atoms, and
అక్కడ లేరా
వస్తారు
నువ్వు కళ్ళు కడుక్కుంటు మొహం కడుక్కుంటావు మొహం కట్టు నీళ్ళు పూసుకుంటావు మొహం మీద
కొంచెం
గోగో
దూరం వెళ్ళండి.
యాక్టివ్గా ఉంటావు కెన్ యూ గో రన్ ఫాస్ట్ మేడం లేదు ఓకే రాసి వచ్చా
You got to go back.
చదివి పూసుకున్నావా
చెల్లిపోయి మామూలు మేడం
మోనో అంటే 1 డై అంటే 2 ట్రై అంటే 3 హెచ్ అంటే మోనో ఒకటే ఆటం ఉంది H2 అంటే 2 ఆటమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి H2S అంటే 3 ఉన్నాయి హైడ్రోజన్ 2 ఆటమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఎస్ ఒకటి ఉంది మొత్తం 3 దాన్ని ట్రై అటామిక్ అంటారు 3 ఉంది కదా డై అటామిక్ అంటే 2 ఆటమ్స్ మోనో అటామిక్ అంటే 1 అది సింపుల్ గా ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పినా గుర్తుండదు దాని తర్వాత
Yodi, class is over, ah?
నో
What happened?
she got disconnected
Ayyo.
I put a message. Huh?
To BSNL or Airtel.
What BSNL? She got disconnected today.
Okay.
Your net is there, right? Yeah, he's there. She got disconnected. Okay, then in check. అది ఆమె చెప్తుంది. సో CH3 ఎన్ని ఆటమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి మొత్తం? CH3. కెన్ యూ బి ఫాస్టర్?
H3.
మొత్తం ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి ఆటమ్స్?
మొత్తం atoms are
సి అనేది ఒక ఆటమేనా?
కార్బన్ హైడ్రోజన్. సో
ఎన్ని మొత్తం ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి?
4.
అదే చెప్తుంది. 4 అంటే
అట్లా
ఏమవుతుంది?
కనిపిస్తే
Mono,
T అంటే
డయ్యా, ట్రైయా, ఈ టెట్రానా అది చెప్తుంది. పాలియా.
punishment. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Shrivasta, how are you?
Yes, ma'am. Good.
Okay, how the classes are going on
The classes are going on very fine.
and how you are doing?
Good.
Okay, great. Okay, let me see whether ma'am is going to join or not, and then if not, then we have to end the session. But just give me a minute, okay?
Yes, sure, ma'am.
మెసేజ్ కొట్టారు.
Shrivasta, I think we can end the session because ma'am's phone is not reachable, okay?
Sure. Okay. Okay, madam. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. And meeting for all.